So hello guys, welcome. On this video I'm going to be talking about how to create your own personal bank. So this is, you are going to be creating your own personal bank on your own Cpanel. If you don't have a Cpanel, you just have to purchase one. If you don't know what a Cpanel is, you have to search online or just comment and I'll create a special video for that. So for this video is for only those people that understand what a Cpanel is and that want to upload a bank into a Cpanel. So I'm going to show you how to create a bank in simple 10 minutes video. So let's start. First of all, this is the Cpanel and we just come to the search bar and search for the file, or let's first search for the domain name we're going to use. In the domain, you have to add a domain to your Cpanel, so that's the very first step. So here is the domain and we're going to be using these domains particularly. So since we are using this domain particularly, let's head over to the domain root, and the domain root for empty because there's nothing there. That domain is a subdomain. We're going to upload the file into it, the banking file. So let's upload. So here it is right here. So I'll open. It will take a while, but this hosting is very fast and I'm sure it won't take up to 10 minutes. So let's just wait as it's loading. So if you have not seen me before, please subscribe, and I'm going to be creating valuable content like this every day. You don't know what I'm going to be creating next, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. So while this has been successfully uploaded, let's go back. So this is the file right here, and time for us to extract. You can click the right click here to extract, or you can easily extract up here, this place. But I'm going to use here, extract files. We'll wait a little while and it has been extracted. So if you don't see it, you just have to click this reload button, then the file is right here. So I'm going to be moving all the files located inside this file to the main directory, so that it shouldn't be edomat.ng/files folder. It should be the edomat.ng, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to be moving it back. I'm going to move, cancel. This is the way to move file within the hosting account. So I'll go back. Here are the files. So first thing first, we need to install this file. After this, you have uploaded it, you need to create a server, because banking has to be able to register, login, and those things are done in the server. So let's go back to the main Cpanel, and we just have to search for MySQL. Let's search for MySQL. So we are going to click this MySQL database wizard. This is for creating SQL. So I've clicked on it and it's 3 minutes gone. I said 10 minutes, so let's do it. Banking. Let's call it banking. So this is a bank. We're going to create a bank in less than 10 minutes. It's loading. Alright. Next thing, I'll just name the same thing because I'm trying to be fast, but you can name it 2 different things so that it shouldn't be easily hackable, because hackers like me, I'm going to be creating other videos that will be teaching you how to hack later, but right now if you want to see those kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe. So as a server has to have all the privileges. You see we click all privileges here because the server has to be able to create accounts, delete accounts, create events, do some triggers, select, show. All these are essential things that the dashboard or the banking is supposed to be able to do. Like the admin can create files. Let's head on. Let's go. So this is our name. We've collected this name. I'll copy it right here and I'll go to the install, which is demo.edomart.ng/install. I'm going to install right now. So this is the installation term of use. You can only use it on one domain. Okay, modify, edit as you want, translate to language of your choice, but you cannot resell or include these products. So all these are just, we have to agree, because why won't we agree? So when you go to the requirements section, these are the requirements that need to be, the permission that need to be done before we can proceed. So the current permission that we need to first of all do, everything is located in the core file. Mind you, these are our documents. So core, bootstrap, and cache, and core. So the storage has it more. So we are going to the storage file first. So let's go to the storage file inside the core folder, and we'll look for the storage. These are where we will need to make the changes. So when you look at this, there's name, size, last modifier, type, and the permission. So here we just come and give you the permission of 0775, and framework will give you the permission of 7, and logs will give you the same permission of 0775. So we'll go back and get back here, and there's also another one in the bootstrap file. Remember, core, bootstrap, we have done the one in the storage, we have not done storage, so it's main storage and bootstrap. So let's go back. Sorry. Storage will give you this permission of 7, and bootstrap will give cache this the permission of 0775. So we just have to go back and refresh. Let's see if it will show. So all the permission, all the requirements have been passed. So let's check. These are the permissions. PHP version. To change the PHP version, you can just go over to your main page, check for PHP, and you see select PHP version. This, just in case this is not checked, I'm trying to show you what you can do. In the PHP selector file, you can make changes to the version. Most files require a lot of permission depending on the depending on the PHP version you are using at the moment. So when you come to this place, you see the permission, but for now mine's already been set and there's no need for me to make changes. But your own will not be showing like this. Your own will be showing the PHP selector. So let's continue. Click on the next step. So this way we're going to be entering our database name. Remember, it was banking, the password was the same thing, and the local host. So we'll put the admin name we're going to be using, the password we're going to be using, and this email. Support art. I'm also going to be showing you how to create your own email, customized email address for a domain. So let it load. So while it's loading, it's going to take a while to input the server information into this database username and password. You understand? If you don't understand, so let's check how to create this email. To create this email, you just have to see, immediately you enter the hosting account, you can just click on this email account. Click on the email account and click on create. So this is how easy it is. Select the domain name you want to create it for. This is it, and there is a prefix, which is this. So I'm going to use the prefix here as support, and set the password I'm going to use. So this is the password. and we're going to just click create. So we can specify the size and some other specification, but we're going to go with these changes for now. It's creating. So while it's creating the email account, it's also installing the server information into the database. So it'll take a while. Let me pause and come back.